was of Greek, Macedonian origin, descendants of Ptolemy I, one of Alexander the Great's generals. She spoke many languages. Cleopatra was highly educated and could speak up to 9 languages, including Egyptian, Greek, and Hebrew, rare for rulers of her time. She was known for her intelligence, not just beauty. Asian historians like Plutarch wrote that Cleopatra's charm and intellect were more powerful than her looks. She was a skilled politician. Cleopatra ruled Egypt during a very dangerous political time and managed to protect her throne through diplomacy and strategy. She had relationships with Julius Caesar and Mark Antony. Cleopatra allied herself with 2 of Rome's most powerful leaders, Julius Caesar and later Mark Antony, to strengthen Egypt's position. She gave birth to Caesar's son. Cleopatra and Julius Caesar had a son named Caesarion, who briefly ruled Egypt after her death. She died by suicide, probably by snakebite. According to legend, Cleopatra died by letting an asp, a cobra, bite her, though some historians think it might have been poison. Her beauty secrets were legendary. Cleopatra was said to bathe in milk and honey, use rose water and aloe vera, and apply gold dust on her skin, symbols of her luxury and power. Her life inspired art, movies, and literature for centuries. From Shakespeare's Antony and Cleopatra to modern films, her story remains one of the most fascinating tales of power, love, and tragedy.